Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about the vitamins that are important for diabetic patients. The first vitamin that the diabetic patient should take is vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant and it's shown to prevent a lot of complications related to diabetes by lowering the inflammation in your body. Vitamin C reduces the blood glucose level and it also stimulates the synthesis and secretion of insulin. Vitamin C also improves the insulin resistance in diabetic patients. The second vitamin that diabetic patients should take is vitamin D. Vitamin D is shown to lower the inflammation of pancreatic B cell. Thus, in turn, it stimulates the production of insulin from pancreas. So, taking vitamin D or optimizing the level of vitamin D will naturally improve the insulin level in diabetic patients. The third vitamin that diabetic patients should take is niacin or B6. Now, the role of niacin is a little complicated in diabetic patients. Niacin may improve your blood sugar level, but niacin has also shown to lower the cholesterol level in diabetic patients. Niacin also lowers your triglyceride in diabetic patient and improves HDL, which is good cholesterol level. So elevated cholesterol is one of the complications with diabetes, or cholesterol may get worse in diabetic patient. So taking niacin will improve that levels. And the fourth vitamin that every diabetic patient should take is vitamin B12. It is one of the very important vitamins that every diabetic patient should take. Now, most of the diabetic patients are on metformin. And the most common side effect of metformin is to lower the absorption of B12. That's one reason to take vitamin B12 if you are on metformin, because the metformin lowers the B12 absorption from the gut. One of the complications in diabetic patient is diabetic neuropathy. So desensitization of nerve ending, and B12 is shown to improve the nerve health. Thus, taking B12 in diabetic may prevent you from getting a diabetic neuropathy or may improve the symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. So these are the vitamins that every diabetic patient should take to improve your overall health and to lower your blood sugar level and improves the complication related to diabetes. Subscribe for more videos and give us a thumbs up.